Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at GetResponse and how to add a blog to your GetResponse landing page. It's very important to know that GetResponse, and this is my GetResponse account, has a website builder as well as a landing page builder. So we've already created a video regarding the website builder. If you want to add a BlogHandy blog to your website builder page on GetResponse, please watch the other video. It goes through all the steps. If you want to add it to a landing page that you've built with GetResponse, you can continue watching this video. So let's dive right into it. Let's click on landing pages. And I have to create my first landing page right now. So let's click on create landing page. All right, I think we're just gonna start with the build from scratch templates. Okay, let's click here on show templates and let's just pick a template. That's just an easy one. Select template, my first landing page, and next step. Alright, great. So with the landing pages, the builder isn't as advanced as the website builder in GetResponses. So I always recommend to add the blog at the bottom of your landing page. Especially when you have a short landing page like that, it sort of makes your landing page longer and it adds more content. So let's go here and go all the way down here at the bottom. You see the little icon to add an iframe. And this is where we can add our custom code. So let's go to BlogHandy and get the code snippet. We first copy the first bit of it. We go back to GetResponse and we paste it here. And then we go back to BlogHandy and we copy the second bit and we just paste it here. And we click on save. So now the next step is we want to adjust the size of this box to the same size as the landing page. Great. So as you can see, it's not as nice as the GetResponse website builder. Maybe they will update this landing page builder at some point, but at the moment it's like that. Okay, so let's click on save and you have to do one more step, and now you have to feel comfortable with a bit of coding because you have to click on HTML here and it will show you a warning and you have to click on yes, continue. And now it will load all the HTML code of your landing page. So if you have a very long landing page, this might be a lot of code and you want to go further down on that page, very close to the bit where we added our blog. And you can find it by searching for something like this is a custom code placeholder. This is text that you will see and you will need to look for this text. And here you will see the code from BlogHandy and you want to go to the custom code bit. So you want to go to this bit. This ID might always be different. The data UID might be different. So, but this is the sort of element you want to find. Close to your BlogHandy code, close to this is a custom code placeholder. And what you want to do here is to type style equals height auto. So this is a text you need to add here in order to make this solution work so your blog loads fully and it doesn't get cut off. So let's click on close and click on next step. Okay. We don't need the mobile version right now. Proceed. And I just leave this blank here for now. And I just click on publish. Okay, so let's view your landing page. And here it is. So you've got your landing page done by GetResponse. And underneath you have got your blog. I've got the pop grid layout right now. And you can click on a blog post and it will load the blog post. One final thing to do, on the main page where your blog loads, you want to copy the URL from the address bar, go to BlogHandy go to settings and then put this URL down here under blog URL and just click on save all changes. If you want to change the design of your blog, just click on layout and design, and here we've got a number of different designs. If you want to do some custom CSS coding, if you're comfortable with that, you can go all the way down here and you can add your custom code. If you don't feel comfortable with that, but you do want to change the look and feel of your blog, feel free to reach out to us. We're always happy to help you to adjust the font or the size, the colors, the look and feel of your blog. We can fully customize it for you free of charge. Thanks a lot for listening. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy blogging and bye bye for now.